Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube playback speed unavailable problem on YouTube. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps, tap on manage apps, search YouTube application, tap on YouTube, click on storage, again tap on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Clear cache data, it helps to fix YouTube playback speed unavailable problem. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your YouTube apps latest version. You make sure your YouTube apps is updated. Your YouTube apps is not updated, then update your YouTube apps. Step 3. Open your YouTube apps, tap on profile picture, again tap on setting, scroll down, tap on help, click on send feedback, tap on get started. You can briefly explain your YouTube playback speed unavailable problem on YouTube support team and solve this problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.